and copying the ad actually help you to become a better copywriter. So this video is very important. If you are someone who's new to the channel, I will request you to please subscribe to the channel so that you can able to get copywriting, email marketing and mindset kind of a content each and every day from this particular channel, right? So now, not day, we'll create 2 or 3 videos in each and every week which can actually help you to become a better copywriter, maybe a great email marketer. So why it's very important to do hand copy of a successful ad. So many people already said in the video, and sometimes when I read books about copywriting, in that time people tell us that you need to hand copy a great ad. But the problem with me is that because that I'm a copywriter, so what I do is that I try to hand copy emails on landing page which is not successful, but it is run by successful individuals right now in the Facebook and Instagram. So when I comment on certain videos in the YouTube, so that lady told me that if you want to become a great copywriter or maybe a good copywriter, you need to make sure that you are hand copying the successful ad. Because whenever you hand copy the Facebook ad, Instagram ad, that does not mean that that ad is a successful ad. But I straight away ask her the question that when it comes to running the ad, somebody is not going to run the ad till the time is not getting the profit in the social media, right? So I think if I'm able to see this ad, that means that person is actually earning the money from the ad. So from that ad, that is the only reason he's running the ad in the Facebook and in the Instagram. That's the reason only. So that's why when you hand copy the ad, no matter it is successful, go on letters or you just find it ad in the Instagram or maybe in a Facebook, you are trying to write down the ad, that does not mean you're not going to learn how to write copy, because it's about the mindset. When you write the ad of a successful copywriter, in that time you're not learning how to do that, how to structure it, how to outline it. In that time you're also learning about how to think like a great copywriter, how to pitch like a great copywriter, how to create the need in the copywriting sales ad. You will be able to know about that. That's why hand copying that it's very important. How can you do that? You can go to the Instagram, you can go to the Facebook, you can see the sponsor ad, you can try to click on the ad, you can able to see the landing page. You just have to copy that landing page on your notebook as it is. You have to remember, you have to write it. You don't try to type it in your MS Word file. Don't do that, because when you are typing, it's not going to actually help you a lot, but when you are writing, it's going to help you a lot. So as a copywriter, you need to try to make sure that you are writing, not typing. If you like the video, you can share to someone who needs this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Definitely you can get the value from the video in the future also. Thank you so much.